Have you heard of Kaizen events? They're rapid improvement events that can result in significant process improvement. Why use Kaizen events? They have an excellent return on investment and can eliminate bottlenecks, reduce overtime, and improve communication. Kaizen events are flexible and can be done anywhere on almost any process, not just the shop floor. And the best part? They increase human capital and improve communication. The Kaizen event process has 5 basic steps. First, the team is trained in the Kaizen process and improvement tools. Next, they observe and document the process being improved. Then, the team brainstorms ways to improve the process and acts on its ideas. Finally, they report out and celebrate their achievements. If you're interested in learning more about Kaizen events or would like EMS Consulting Group to facilitate a Kaizen event for you, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us.